Hi Abby, a belated happy birthday to you. Here is how you stretch canvas. So you've got your stretchers, okay, and if you look closely, they have this little slot in there. See the slot? Okay, and so they fit together just like that. The right sides go together. Yep, this way. And they just fit right in there. And you just push them together, and you may want to get a square to kind of square them up. I think Bill probably has a square, but they do go pretty square, right? Okay, and you get a corner, right? See? Okay. Once you've got your frame built, you cut your canvas so it's a little bit bigger. Doesn't matter which side because the profile is the same. Got this lump on the outside here, okay? And you take the canvas and you overlap it. So you got a nice bit of corner here, right? Now, one thing I like to do is I like to fold it under and then you staple it with a staple gun, okay? Bill's definitely got a staple gun. They're a little intimidating to use, but I know you can do this because you are tough. When you get to the corner, you just wrap it like a Christmas present. Okay, so that goes under. And oops, this would be a little closer. This would go under. And then you just take it, right, and wrap it. And you'd staple it here, and I like to staple it up here too, okay? So you get this Christmas corner wrap. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little hard to see, okay? How tight should you make it? Don't overstretch, okay? You want it taut enough that it doesn't droop, okay? But you don't want it tight, okay? So you want it just... Okay, it's going to have wrinkles, not really tight, but just, you know, so it doesn't, you don't want it to sag or droop or anything, okay? Then you hit it with the gesso, and I got you black gesso because obviously it's cheaper to buy frames now than it used to be. It used to be cheaper to make your own, but now it's cheaper to buy them pre-done. Because what the gesso does is it coats the canvas. Okay, it doesn't have to go through, but you want to get a good solid coat on it. When you look at the back, you may see a little bit of beading as it comes through in spots or two, but you don't want it like soaked. Then when the gesso dries, it's elastic and it's what pulls the canvas tight. Okay, so that is the basics of how to stretch a canvas. You just leave it to dry, and then it's like any other canvas. I like to take the gesso around the edge of the corner of the frame. So you get some gesso up here. Because that way when you frame it, you don't have any little bare spots ever. Okay? And that is basically how you stretch a canvas. And I would love at some point to do that with you. But, you know, you're busy, and I'm thinking that's not going to happen. So... that's how you do it. Thank you.